Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sushmita Alisetla. If you're watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So what I actually want to tell in this video is, already I have said in my previous videos. So but many people are asking me questions that, Akka, what is this counseling, that do we have any different process in that? Is it a kind of interview, or are they going to call us and ask questions regarding our examination things and everything? So I just want to make everything in this video in detail about your counseling process and about this choice filling and about everything and that scholarship things and everything. I have already discussed all these points in detail in my previous videos. Please go and check. For every point I made a single video with clear evidences and clear notes. So let me tell you what is counseling. Counseling is a process where you need to just provide your certificates to them. It is just a process that you will pay fees to them, you'll get an allotment letter, you'll accept the letter, and you'll upload all your certificates that are asked by those people through your mail or through in that student portal. They'll release that soon. So I think they have already released also. So what are the documents they are asked you? Everything that you need to provide, and that's it. That is called as counseling. We call this round 1, round 2, round 3 as counseling. Nothing is much more than this. Counseling is a process where you need to submit all your certificates, like all the things in a proper way. Like for round 1, round 2, round 3, you need to choose the things, you need to provide the files what they ask you, and that's it. This is called as counseling. No more. Many people are struggling about counseling fee. They are in that process. You are also even getting lots and lots of confusions in your mind. Please don't get confused. See, for last time, like they have given scholarships for 2500 rank holder too, but this time completely they changed complete process. They are just giving 500 rank holders scholarship. So what happening is, like some people are getting 10k, some people are getting 0, some people are getting 1,10,000. So just pay accordingly what they'll show you. And they have been extended this scholarship things to June 3rd until 11 or 12 p.m. So 12 a.m. So you can go and pay that scholarship things, like you can pay the counseling things. So they have extended the date. So now you can go and pay your counseling fee too. And how to pay is, like if you have online payments, it is really easy to do online payment. Just go and ask your father or someone, people you know better, go and ask them. They'll do it for you. And or else if you don't have that option, you can go to bank and you can pay there itself. And after paying, just click that box like everything is done. Like from your side, you are fine with everything, you have paid everything. And most of the people are complaining about allotment letter. I didn't even receive any allotment letter after paying fees. Don't worry at all, you will receive your allotment letter very soon, because after completing all the payments and everything, they are going to release your allotment letters. So there is also one thing, that round 2 is going to start from June 4th, right? So what you need to do is, like most of the people are like confused, like we need to take CSC core or CSC with specialization? For what rank are we going to get this CSC specialization or CSC core? Because guys, this time everything is changed. They changed everything, like scholarship things, and they have changed this cutoff things and everything. This completely went out of our expectations. So we are unable to predict. I am unable to predict, or that sites are also unable to predict the complete correct cutoff. So, and that is a bad thing, that they have given you only one option to choose, whether you need to choose only one option. And you guys are doing this for the first time, and I know that you guys will be completely confused. Like they just gave you only one chance of filling, like only one thing you can select. This is really typical for you. I know that you don't know, like for what rank, what are we going to get. Many people did not get allotted to. So those people are also going to get allotted in this second round. Don't worry about your allotment. You are going to get allotted in round 2. And for those people who did not get that in round 1, if you tried for CSE specialization or core with your actual rank, you did not get allotted, but some of your friends or someone got allotted, don't worry, you are going to get allotted in round 2 or round 3. definitely for sure, if you are eligible, you are going to get it. And you guys are asking me that please tell me, we'll listen to you, that whatever you say, if you say that CSE specialization, we'll take that. If you say that CSE core, we'll take that. Please don't throw it on me, like deciding your future for me is that is not at all an easy thing for me. What I am telling you is, CSE specialization is, if you do any specialization under CSE, you can see in your resume they are going to add your specialization courses, and that's it. If you did not do, they are not going to add. If you do, it is just that will be just help you, that will be just going to help you, that's it. Nothing more difference, that doesn't make any such differences. And if you ask me what is the cutoff for AI, for like you are asking me for so many cutoffs, because I don't know, guys. I'm sachi, I don't know any cutoffs, because I'm just predicting. Like till now I was like really confused. I was telling you all that by seeing different browsers, and by searching, I'm helping you out. But what I found is, they totally changed everything, all cutoffs and everything, scholarships and everything. So we are completely unable to predict for what rank, what course you are going to get. That is okay. Just go on for 3 rounds, whatever you want, fight for that. That's it. That all I can tell you. So let's move on to the next thing. And one more doubt you are asking, that is 1,10,000 refundable? No, 1,10,000 is not refundable. Only 1 lakh rupees is refundable. So how to get your 1 lakh refund? I'm going to add an iCard over here, so that you click on that iCard, you'll be directly shown that how to get your your amount, your payment refunded. Only 1 lakh will be refunded, guys. That 10,000 won't be refunded. That is non-refundable payment. And the most asking question is the scholarship only for 1 year, or for the whole BTech? This scholarship is only for 1 year. All the scholarship that you are going to get is for this only 1 year. And for rest of the 3 years, what is for the rest of the 3 years is, that is like completely depends upon you. If you do your 100% after getting seat into the college, if you study properly, if you study well, by your CGPA, they are going to give you scholarship accordingly. So my complete video, guys. If you have any doubt while watching these videos, first go and watch my previous videos, because each and every point I have in detailly explained in those videos. So just small corrections on the scholarship things, and that's it. And I have explained how to avail the scholarship and how to pay your fees, and exactly what I have explained everything clearly in my previous videos. If you have some time, please go and watch them, so that you will understand clearly. If you did not understand anything, then comment me down. I am here to help you all the time. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this, please give me a 1 subscribe. That is really needed for me to get to you more in depth, to explain you more in depth. It gives me courage. So let me please do these things by your 1 subscribe and 1 like. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Sushmita Alisetla. And that's it for today. Thank you, guys. Based on your request, I made a video, and I'm going to post this on 2nd of June by 8 or 9 o'clock. You are going to get this video, so that it will be really helpful for you to move on to this payment things and everything. That is why I made it a bit earlier. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Tata, take care. So sorry, guys. I actually said that on June 2nd I'm going to post the video, but because of some Wi-Fi error, I'm not receiving internet connection properly, so I'm unable to post the video today. I'm trying a lot, but I don't know why. What is the problem? The video is not getting uploaded. So definitely by tomorrow afternoon, I mean June 3rd, you are going to get my video. I swear. I'm really sorry for this. Thank you, guys. I hope you guys understand me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.